Okay, what's going on with Beyond Meat? The price is going down after the huge jump, almost 100%. Now we have a correction. So we're gonna discuss who is selling Beyond Meat. Are we gonna have a reversal after that? Another squeeze, another 100% toward the $3 or not? But before we go further, remember, guys, our content here for educational purposes only. So remember, guys, Beyond Meat, we already discussed it early on before this jump in November. This squeeze early, we said there is a warning, and the squeeze has started because we spotted this breakout from this bearish channel. What does it mean? Because this channel, guys, just from the technical, there is a huge seller making the price go down here, there, many times. And here they cover up around the 26th of November on Wednesday before Thanksgiving. After that, on Monday, 1st of December, we got the squeeze, technically almost 85% for this play. For now, we have a pullback because we hit the $1.50. We hit until the 160, but around the 150, it was the major seller place for Beyond Meat. So where the price would go right now, because now the volume is around 17 million. The last few days we hit almost quarter billion, guys, for Beyond Meat. So the it's not that technically is not that because a lot of you said Beyond Meat is dead because we entered this channel for 1 month. And as we said before, Beyond Meat always entered this quiet phase before the storm. You see here, 11 days, then a huge flush here, 4 days, then a huge squeeze. And then here it was the longest short opened for 35 days. That's why a lot of you said it is dead, because this is the first time we entered this kind of phase. Usually 1 week, 2 weeks, then we have a reactivation, either selling pressure or buying pressure. But now, yes, we activated the buying pressure. The whale bought around the 87. However, now, guys, we have a warning sign to confirm that we're gonna have a reversal. We have two levels. The first one is over the $1.08. This is the best place to hold and reverse from to confirm that Beyond Meat is not dead, and there's a chance for a squeeze from 108 until here. We might do 27%, and if we squeeze this time, we might do the 169, and the best squeeze is almost 90%, like what we did before, 85, now 90%, around the $2.12. If we held the $1.08, of course. And the last bottom, if we want to have still a chance for reversal, is over the 90 cents. So the 108 and the 90 cents should be the hot spot where we trigger the whale buying this dip. Really important level to watch out for Beyond Meat in this month, guys, because we got, yes, almost less than 1 month before the end of this year and enter the 2026. So this will be the last fight for Beyond Meat, for my opinion, to have a reversal, last reversal in this year. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you like anticipate another squeeze for Beyond Meat this month or not, because as we said, the 108 is still great support to hold and squeeze from. If we held it, yes, we're gonna have a nice reversal, 25, then 50, then 90%, three levels of profit taking.